What's going on, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Well, most of you know that I'm a container gardener. So for today's topic of the video, we're going to talk about how to grow your cucumbers. Now, cucumbers mainly grow in two seasons, spring and summer. And what you can do is make sure that your cucumbers are always hydrated because cucumbers are water-based plants. So I'm going to take you through how I germinate my cucumber seeds. Now, take a look right here. So cucumber seeds have a sheath or a cover on them. You would need to remove the seeds from its cover or sheath. So cucumbers need a well-drained soil. So basically what I'm trying to explain to you is that make sure that your soil is soft enough so that water can pass through easy. So what I'm going to do right now is to try to shuffle up my soil so that when I use my water, it can go down to the roots. So when you're busy with your cucumber, make sure that you do not harm all the roots that are underneath and the microorganisms. So this process can be done for about at least once a month. So what I do normally with my cucumbers, I also retrim all the excess leaves. Now, trimming all the excess leaves helps your cucumber to grow easy and rapidly. So every now and then I come through and check all the dried leaves. Now as you can see, I've already removed all the dried leaves. So what I'm going to do right now is to show you the production of my cucumbers. Now as you can see right here, I have a beautiful cucumber, and obviously right here. So when you're at this phase of your cucumber, you need fertilizers. The reason why I'm saying you need fertilizers is because you need to encourage growth. Now, for growth for your cucumbers, you need a nitrogen fertilizer. So as you can see right here, this beautiful cucumber here is going to grow massively, and I'm going to take good care of it. So we have different types of gardeners. We have gardeners that plant their vegetables on the ground, and we have gardeners that plant their vegetables inside of a container. So I am a container gardener. So planting in containers has an advantage. The advantages of planting inside of a container is that your vegetables can stay moist and hydrated for a longer period of time. When I've watered enough, I know that this container right here can carry a lot of water for a period of time. So what I'm going to do right now is to prune the excess leaves of my cucumber right here. So identifying a cucumber leaf that is dried out is very easy. You normally have to check for this kind of patterns here. Now these patterns here show that your cucumber is drying out. So you need to prune all the excess leaves, because we do not need all the leaves because they take all the nutrients from the soil. So I'm going to trim off the excess leaves right here. As you can see right here, this is an excess leaf. Alright, so in conclusion, after you are done with pruning all your leaves, make sure that you apply them on your plant so that they can act as mulch. They will decompose in due time and they will make your plant to flourish. So we have come to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated, and I will see you on the new video.